So hi guys, I am Vishnu Sharma from Brands for Live and I will teaching you about content writing. So our first class is what is content, all about content writing. So let's moving on. Then first we will discuss about what is the correct pronunciation of content. Then this is not a content, C-U-N-T-E-N-T. This is not a content, it's pronounced content, C-U-N-T-E-N-T, content. Content is also a word, but it means satisfied and also sounds very funny when you write it like that movie. That you will when you write content, C-U-N-T-E-N-T. This is very funny, like funny sounds, like content. Or when you tell someone the content, then it's a professional. So I hope you understand. The current pronounced as content, not a content. Okay. So our topic is what is content. Content is any kind of information that will educate, inform, entertain, motivate, inspire, convenience, or pursue a specific set of audience. I mean to say, content is any kind of information. Content is any kind of information that will educate, inform, entertain. Like in every field, you will find a content. In every niche, you will find a content. In other words, content writing is all about solving problems for a specific set of audience. Since you are solving problems, you are actually adding value to this set of audience. And when you add value to this set of audience, you will trust, and trust is a key ingredient in building a brand. I mean to say, the content you will write, this is a problem solving method to your audience, your set of audience. When you are writing a content, you are actually adding a value of your audience. You are actually adding a pupil on your content. The people who read your content, you will add the value of this audience. And when you add this value of set of audience, you will build our trust. And trust is a key ingredient in building a brand. If your audience is trusting on your content, then your content is building a brand. Your content is a brand, not a simple content. It is a brand. Okay, so I think you understand. Then next is, this is important to understand because aspiring writers either approach content writing as a way to please the search engine or get intermediate, assuming they need to be creative. I mean to say, the content writers who will write the content on the behalf of search engine. The writers who will write the content on the behalf of search engine, they will write the content. Otherwise, they recommend they they recommended they feel that they are not they are not a proper content writer. They need more. They need more practice. They need to be a creative content writer. They assuming they are not they are not a proper writer. If they are writing a content on the behalf of search engine, they are a good writer. But if they not writing a content on the behalf of search engine, they assuming that they are not a proper writer. They need to be more practice. They need to be more creative. So I found both approaches. I find both approaches to be wrong, because if you just focus on stuffing keywords, you are not adding any value to your audience. Are not adding any value to your audience. And honestly, content writing is usually more about utility than about creativity. I hope you understand what I'm saying. I found both approaches to be wrong, because if you just focus on stuffing keywords, You are not adding any value to your audience, and honestly, content writing is usually more about utility than about creativity. I mean to say, when the writer write only on keywords, the writer only focus on stuffing of keywords, they should not gain any value to his audience or her audience. And if they write their content honestly, they will usually get more about utility, and then also they get more about creativity. The content writers is used writing their content in honest way. They will get content writing is usually more about utility than about creativity. So I hope you understand what is content and how the content writer mistake this. So this is all about content writing. I hope you understand what is content. So thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet in next video that where I will teach you that how you write your content in a better way, or the content writing is a building a career or not. Okay. So thank you so much watching the next video. Okay. Thank you guys.